How to remove your Google account from Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can remove your Google account from your Android phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So why would you want to remove your Google account? Because if you do not have a Google account, you will not be able to run any of the Google apps on your Android, such as the Google Play Store, such as Google Messages, Google Contacts, and so on. But let's say you do have another dummy account, but now you just want to remove some of the accounts which you might have on your Android phone. I will simply show you the steps. In order to do that, you could go ahead and simply open the Settings application on your phone. So go ahead and simply open the Settings app. As soon as you open the Settings app, your interface could look somewhat different than mine. Here we want to scroll down and find the option which is Accounts and Backup. Keep in mind that in your case it could be written as Manage Account, or maybe just Accounts and Cloud, or Cloud and Backup, or something like that. But you want to look for the option which is Accounts and then tap on it. Again, as you do that, you may or may not see this option, but at the very top you can find the option which is Manage Accounts. So I will simply tap on Manage Account. Over here, your Android phone will show you basically all of the Google accounts which you have added. Now you could go ahead and simply select that particular Gmail or Google account. Let's say this one, for example. Now I might want to remove this account. What you can do is at the bottom you'll find this option which is Remove Account. So go ahead and tap on it, and it will ask you basically for a confirmation. Removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. So if you have not backed up some of your important data such as messages and contacts, call logs, and so on, you will not be able to retrieve them later until and unless you can restore them, because if you have backed up now. But if you haven't, then you'll basically lose it all. However, once you're sure of that, you can tap on the Remove Account button and your Google account will be successfully removed from your Android phone. This was the way on how you can remove Google account from Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.